G'day, welcome back to the channel. As promised in the last Canopy build video, we've got one more little thing to do. And I want to put the hot water service on a TV bracket here at the back, so when it swings out and the shower tent swings down, it's all easy. And tell us what we've got.
We've got a TV wall mount bracket
From
Bunnings.
And what's
That's what I didn't buy this.
And then that's the hot water
This is
service.
the first time seeing this.
So that's the hot water service that we're using, that we've got. I rate that. That's a cool little unit.
And hot.
I see what you did there. And then just this one is good for 30 kilos. That's nowhere near 30 kilos. So we should be sweet.
Hopefully.
We literally did rip it open.
There we go.
I'm hoping that will put a couple of uni-strut bolts into this and put that up into that uni-strut bracket, and then this will just come out enough to let us use the hot water service easier. I think. Will that be it? Will that go far enough, Ando? Is the question. No, it won't.
Just oh, here we go. How we turn this? Just another case of Richo just buying and not measuring anything.
I reckon that'll work okay though. We'll give it a go.
Give it a go,
What's
mate.
the worst that can happen?
Doesn't fit.
Try it.
And have it
Why
that
would
way.
you close the door?
And have it that way.
Why would you close the
and then
door?
it swings down like that.
No.
Why put it to that?
Huh?
Why didn't you put it to that?
No.
Why? I'm serious. Once if you mount it like that and then it swings out like that, out here, rather than trying to get this big harsh
Can I
angle.
just try this first? I'll probably put it through that first. Oh, it doesn't fit through that. I need to get a drill bit. Bit of double-sided sticky tape, and a couple of quickie straps. Job's done. So it should just now, when we arrive at camp, pull it out, pull the shower tent down. Job's done, finished. Goes back in. I don't know if it'll last. I'm gonna try it out, but go away weekend after next. I'm gonna give it a shakedown, see what happens. If it lasts, happy days. If it doesn't, I might have to go to Ando's plan, which is to just leave it in here and then set it on the back of the tray when we're having a shower, which does seem a lot easier. But if this works, it's happy days. All right, thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.